Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's CVS deals video. Thank you all for joining me once again and thank you for coming back every week to support my channel. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome and I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I received 4 instant CRT today and I hope every account got that because they can be very helpful when you have to grab any deal that it attaches to. Let's go see what deals we can find. The first deal in this video will be on combo snacks. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $1 back and they're on sale for 2 for $5. Picking up 2 for $5. I have a $1.50 off any snack CRT I received in my email. Using that, it's going to bring it down to $3.50 and you get $1 back, making both items $2.50 or $1.25 each. Little Creator Vitamin is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $10 back. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at $9.59. The first one is going to be full price and the second one is going to be $4.80. 2 of them is going to total $14.39. I don't have any coupon for this and I don't have any vitamin CRT, so pay the $14.39, get $10 back, then check your Ibotta, submit it there and get $2.50 back on each one of them, a total of $5. After the rebate, both of them are going to be free and a 61-cent money maker. Select Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 3, you get $5 back, and this is a limit of 2. And you can also pick up the Oral-B toothbrush for this, but I'll be sharing the deal with the toothpaste. Picking up 3 will come up to $11.97. Everyone received a 5 off 3 Crest digital coupon today, and we also have a $2 off digital coupon as well that is going to double dip and bring it down to $4.97. Pay that and get $5 back, making all 3 items free and a 3-cent money maker. Buy 2 Scope Squeeze mouthwash, the 50 ml, get $3 back, and this is a limit of 2. It's on sale for $4.99. Picking up 2 will bring it up to $9.98. Everybody have a 5 off 2 Scope digital coupon. We also have another $1 in our app that is attaching to this, but I don't think it's going to double dip because this is priced at $4.99, which is less than 5 off of 2 digital coupon we have. So it's going to bring it down to $4.98. You get $3 back, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. If you have a 4 off 20 Crest CRT, then it will be a good idea to combine these 2 deals together. And all 5 items is going to come up to $21.95. And this is the way the coupons and CRT will come off. The 4 off 20 is going to apply. And the 5 off 3 for the Crest toothpaste will apply as well. And the $2 will double dip with the 5. And also the 5 off 2 for the Scope mouthwash will come off as well. When all the coupons and CRT come off, it will leave you to pay $5.95 and get $5 for the toothpaste and $3 for the mouthwash, making all 5 items free and a $2.05 money maker. The next deal is on L'Oreal Cosmetics. It's on buy 2 get $5 back and it's a limit of 1, and it says any L'Oreal Cosmetics. That's good because we can actually pick up the little eyeshadows priced at $6.99 each. Picking up 2 will bring it up to $13.98. And I have these coupons I got from my email. L'Oreal Cosmetics sent it to me. I guess I signed up on their website. I can't remember when I did, but I got this email. I was able to print out 2. And if you still have your instant CRT from last week, that's if you printed it out and your store accepted up to 2 days, you can still use it. Today we received another instant CRT of $3. With the 2 coupons and the CRTs, it's going to drop the total down to $3.98 and you get $5 back, making the 2 of them free and a $1.01 money maker. If you don't have those 2 coupons I have, your total is going to be $7.98. You pay that and you get $5 back, making both items $2.98 or $1.49 each, which I still think is a good deal. And this can be a good filler item if you have a 10 of 70 or 20 off 80 next purchase CRT. If you like Sally Hansen nail polish, then this deal is for you. It's on spend 12, get $3 back, and it's a limit of 1. Picking up one of the Miracle Gel, priced at $12.49. If you have percentage of CRT, you can use it on this because it's not on sale. But I have this $1.50 off Sally Hansen coupon we received in the Save 827. It's going to bring it down to $10.99. Pay that and get $3 back, making it just $7.99. The Grid Dry Spray is part of the buy 2 get $3 back, and it's a limit of 1. And it's also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Picking up 2 of the women's, price at $7.79. The first one is going to be full price, and the second one is going to be $3.90, and it's going to come up to $11.69. I have this 4 off 2 coupon we got from the 827 savings start. It's going to drop it down to $7.69. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items $4.69 or $2.35 each. Check your fetch. Last week I have a rebate, but this week I don't have any. You can pick up the men's dry spray if that's what you want. It doesn't matter, or you can do one of each. All Nivea body wash 16.9 ounces to 20 ounces are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, both the men and the women. I'm showing the men in this one because it's a little bit cheaper at $6.79. Pick up 2. We have a $1 digital coupon that will apply to it and bring it down to $5.49 for both, or $2.75 each. If you prefer the women body wash, pick up 2 is priced at $7.99. Using the $1 digital coupon is going to drop it down to $6.99 for both, or $3.50 each. Another good item to add to a next purchase CRT. L'Oreal Elvive is on buy 2 get $4 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2, you can do 1 shampoo or 1 conditioner, however way you like it. Picking up 2 at $5.59 is going to come up to $11.18. I still have my 3 off 2 digital coupon. Check your app if you have not used yours, or we still have the one from coupons.com. It's no longer available, but if you printed it out before, you can use it as well. With the 3 off 2 digital coupon, it's going to drop it down to $8.18, and you get $4 back, making both items $4.18 or $2.09 each. The next deal is on spend 20 on any Shea Moisture. You get $10 back, limit of 1. My store is priced very high, but if you really need this product, pick up one of the shampoo and conditioner, priced at $13.99 each. 2 of them is going to come up to $27.98. Everyone received a 6 off 2 digital coupon today that will bring it down to $21.98, and you get $10 back, making both items $11.98 or $5.99 each. Buy 2 Tresemme hair care, get $4 back, limit of 1, and they're also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Picking up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner, the 2 of them is going to come up to $10.94. We all have a 4 off 2 digital coupon for this. If you did not use yours last week, it's still available. It's going to bring it down to $6.94, and you get $4 back, making both items $2.94 or $1.47 each. The next deal will be the buy 3 get $5 back. The Cottonelle toilet paper 4 mega roll is included, and it's on sale for $5.99. Pick up 2. Also pick up one of the Scott paper towel, the 6 big rolls. They're also on sale for $5.99. All 3 of them is going to come up to $17.97. I don't have any coupon for this, but this is another good deal to add to a 10 of 70 or 10 of 60, whichever one you like. But if you don't have that next purchase CRT, pay the $17.97, get $5 back, making all 3 items $12.97 or $4.32 each. The next deal is the spend 20, get $5 back, limit of 1, and this is where the Tide comes in. It's on sale for $14.99. I don't know how this went up so high. I remember when it used to be $11.99. Add the Downy Unstoppable on sale for $5.49. The 2 of them is going to come up to $20.48, And the good thing with this deal is you can do it all digital, because we have a $3 off for the Tide and a $1 off digital coupon for the Downy as well. It's going to bring it down to $16.48. And this is another deal to add to a next purchase CRT. But if you don't have that, pay the $16.48, get $5 back, making both items $11.48 or $5.74 each. Thank you all for watching my video once again, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.